Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how you can enable how you can solve this slow and fast battery drainage problem in your Honor smartphone. So let's start, friends. Let's take a look in this. So first, if you are playing games while charging your phone, you are damaging your smartphone. So don't play while charging. It will definitely damage or drain your battery life too fast. You can't be able to think, so you have to just avoid these things. Second, you have to turn off software update automatically updates that are doing overnight or automatically without your permission. So you have to just click on the software and define this auto download over this Wi-Fi and mobile network. So you have to turn it off update overnight. Same thing will be goes to Play Store updates. You have to go to settings, network preferences, auto update apps. Click on don't auto update apps. If there is an update, you have to do it manually. So this will do a thing that will protect your battery from this, so it will not drain too fast. And you have to just delete your unuseful things like applications, documents, photos, videos that are not usable. That's like a trash, and it will be taking more storage on your smartphone, and this will drain your battery life also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.